Hi there. Let's talk about how to turn off voice directions in Apple Maps on iPhone. Firstly, go ahead and open up your settings and now scroll all the way down to find app section. Then start scrolling down till you can reach Maps app, default Apple Maps app, and go in its settings. Now I want you to find spoken directions. And if you want to turn off voice directions, then in voice volume, select software volume and make sure to disable those three features: directions, pause, spoken audio, directions, wake device, directions on radio, because all of them are for spoken cues. So make sure to toggle off the switches next to them and save changes by going back. Now we need to go ahead and open Maps app and now just search for any address, tap on directions, and let's create this route by tapping go. As you can see, we still got those spoken directions. So to be able to disable them, we need to tap on this volume icon. And this one with the exclamation mark is for alerts only. So you'll hear spoken directions only when alerts. But to completely turn off voice directions, make sure to select this third icon with speaker with a line through it. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.